So let's talk about the LinkDM Planner. This allows you to create drafts and to schedule your DM automation in advance. This is particularly good if you've got promos or giveaways or kind of one-off things that you're doing that you want to be prepared for. This allows you to create your full automation, everything that you want to do, by literally coming to features and going to DM Planner. Now, I want to preface this by saying that I personally wouldn't use this feature because I don't like the code that it gives us that we have to put on the post. So basically what's going to happen is we're going to create a post, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. And it's going to tell us that this is the code that we need to put on the post on Instagram to tell it that that post is connected to that DM automation. Now, I wanted to show you if this is something that you do. What I tend to do is I would write my caption. I would then have an enter with a full stop 5 times. So enter, full stop, enter, full stop, enter, full stop 5 times. I then would put my hashtags, and at the very bottom of it, I would put the code. So that's where I would put it so that it's in an as inconspicuous place as possible when the post goes off. So this allows you to set it up before the post actually goes out. Now, how do you do it? It's really simple. You just come to features, you go to DM Planner, which is going to take you to here. You go create a draft, and then all you do is you simply do like what you've done in other stuff. You set up your button, whether you want it to be a button, if it's going to a link, a message, if it's just something that you're sending it because it's designed to start a conversation. You have the ability, if you're linking it to other posts, which we've talked about previously. All of the basic setup stuff, I've gone over it in depth in the DM automation setup. I'll link that video in the description so that you can go in and learn all of these different settings and when I use them and how I use them. And then you just set up your trigger automation. When you've done everything here that you want to do, you just click Save Changes. And you will then come and you will get this code that you put on the post. Now, you put it on the draft, so whether you're scheduling it through Instagram or maybe you're scheduling it through Metricool or Later or some other third-party tool, you want to make sure that this code goes on the bottom of it. Like I said, I put it after my hashtags because that's the way that LinkDM knows that that automation is attached to that particular post. So that's as easy as it is to set up. Now, you can come in here and edit it at any time. You can also delete draft if that's not what you want to do. And that's as simple as it is to use the DM Planner. This is what I love about LinkDM. Everything is simple and straightforward to use so that you can get in and out as quickly as possible.